Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess and I love doing DIY refashion clothes. Today's video, I will share with you how I refashion the old shirt into this frill crop top. Here's my shirt before the transformation. First step is removing the neck of the shirt. After that, I'm sewing the top to have the new look for the neck. Next step, from the shoulder right next to the neck, I go down 36 cm, which is the width from your shoulder to belly button minus 2 cm, then drawing a horizontal line. And we will have the main body of the crop top after cutting. At the top of the leftover fabric of the shirt, I go down 8 cm and drawing a horizontal line. It will be the waistband of the crop top. I measure the width of the rest fabric and divide it into two pieces with 8 cm each. They will be the frill parts of the crop top. Because the current seam at two sides of each rectangle are not straight, so I draw a new straight line and sew it. Fold each rectangle in half first. Then from the right, I go to inside 25 cm and mark there. From that mark, I draw a line to the end of the right side, then drawing a curved line. After cutting, I fold the curved part double time to hide the cutting and finish one side of the rectangle. Use the pins to hold your folding and sewing. Now, I'm making a loose seam at other edge of the rectangle to create the frill. Keep one thread and pull another one. At the main body of the top, from the connecting parts between the hand and the shoulder, I go inside 6 cm and mark there. From that mark, I draw a straight line down to the end, and doing the same for the other side. Then cutting by the drawing lines. Next step, I'm going to connect the frill into the middle of the cutting line. I mark the middle of the frill first, then connecting it to the connecting part of the hands and the shoulder where I marked before, then connecting the rest later, and sewing. After sewing, don't forget to overlocking to make it nicer. At the end of the top, I'm making a loose seam to create a frill. Make sure to check the length of the end have to be a half of your belly plus 3 cm. Then apply that length to the rectangle you cut in the beginning. After that, I use the iron to make the folding and create the waistband for the top. Last step is connecting the waistband to the end of the top. Connecting two ends of them together first, then connecting the rest later, and sewing. And we finished this DIY. Let's check out my final result. This frill crop top is so elegant, and it reminds me a little French style. I mixed it with a high-waisted jeans, and it looked great. I hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel for other DIYs. See you in next video.